Guys, we're making chicken buffalo wings. What more do you want me to say? Let's get right to it.
Let's start by preheating our oven to gas mark 7 or around 190 to 200 degrees Celsius. Now I've got a mixture of chicken wings and niblets or drummets depending on where you're from. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of plain flour and 2 tablespoons of potato starch, which is really going to make these super crispy. Season this with a pinch of salt, black pepper and some smoked paprika. Give that a mix with your finger and set that aside. Next, add all of your chicken into the flour mixture and coat them all by tossing them, mixing them with your hand until all of the pieces are well coated. Next, get a flat baking sheet with a wire rack, and if you have it, great. If not, it can be done without it, so don't worry too much. The wire rack helps create heat under the chicken, keeping them lifted from their juices, making them super crispy. Now spread out your chicken pieces in whatever rack, tray or dish you're using, making sure they're not overcrowded, and put these in the oven for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, take them out, flip them over and back in the oven they go for another 20 minutes or until they are crispy and golden brown. While the wings are getting crispy, add about 4 tablespoons of butter into a pan with around half a cup of Frank's red hot sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Put these on a low heat, melting the butter and then simmering away for between 5 to 10 minutes until it's slightly reduced. And around 20 minutes later, our chicken is golden brown and our sauce has reduced and thickened. Now let's combine the both. Add your chicken into a bowl and pour over that sauce. Once you've given it a good mix, make a little chicken mountain, drizzle on some more sauce, and your buffalo chicken wings are now ready. So let's give this a try.
So here we are, guys, buffalo chicken wings, oven baked, crispy and juicy. I'm not going to say anything else. I'm going to go ahead and dive right in. Let's get this niblet or the drummet, whatever you want to call it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh my god. A bit of that spiciness from the Frank's red hot sauce, but the sweetness from the honey. Oh, this is just fit for the kings. Now, the wings. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And crispiness from the skin on top of that. When you can do that with your chicken wings, you know how tender it is. That is absolutely delicious. I'm telling you, I've not had better chicken wings than the ones right in front of me. It's quite heavy, I'm going to put it down. Thank you guys for watching until this point. If you enjoyed it, do hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out any future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, stay safe, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Assalamu alaikum. Adios.